Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Ring Video Doorbell 4. Here are its features. Upgrade your front door. Upgrade your front door with Video Doorbell 4. Enjoy improved battery life and performance, enhanced dual-band Wi-Fi, and color video previews to get the whole picture. A few seconds, all the difference. Start recording before you even receive a motion alert with color pre-roll. The first feature of its kind for battery-powered doorbells. With up to 4 extra seconds of color video, you'll know what happened before your package was delivered, or other motion was detected. You'll never miss a detail, day or night. More ways to answer. Answering the door is easier than ever with quick replies. Choose from preset responses, or save time and ask visitors to leave a message with just a few taps. It's like an answering machine for your front door. Simple setup in minutes. Insert the rechargeable, quick-release battery pack into your Video Doorbell 4. Connect your doorbell to the Ring app and follow the steps to customize your settings. Mount and secure your Video Doorbell 4 with the provided screws and click the faceplate into place. Complete control from the Ring app. Real-time notifications. Receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet to stay in the know when anything happens at home. Live View. Get real-time video and audio with the Live View button. Need to let a guest in? Lock and unlock a compatible smart lock with a simple tap. Connected devices. Connect to select Ring devices to see what's happening and control them all from a single dashboard. Security and privacy control. Control Center allows you to view, control, and customize important security settings. Safety alerts. Stay connected to your community with real-time crime and safety alerts from your neighbors and local public safety agencies. Record and capture. Record your videos and capture photos to review, save, and share the moments you missed at any time. Person alerts. Customize your alerts and minimize interruptions by getting notifications only when your device spots a person. Rich notifications. See exactly what triggered an alert with a photo preview right in the notification without opening the Ring app. Connect your Ring of security. Link video doorbells and all your Ring devices to the Ring app to make your security work better together, so you can control them all from your phone or tablet. Alexa, show me my front door. Enjoy hands-free home monitoring with select Alexa-enabled devices. Hear custom notifications and use two-way talk with Echo. Launch video with Echo Show and more. Open doors right from the app. See who's there with video doorbells, and open doors for friends and family right from the Ring app with select smart door locks like Schlage and code. Specifications. Colors, satin nickel. Video, 1080 HD live video, live view, night vision. video quality for the color pre-roll feature is less than 1080p. Motion detection. Advanced motion detection with customizable motion zones. Field of view. 160 degrees horizontal, 84 degrees vertical. Audio. Two-way audio with noise cancellation. Pre-roll does not include audio. Internet requirements. Recommended minimum upload speed of 2 megabits per second per device. Connectivity. 802.11a, B per gram, N Wi-Fi connection at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Warranty. 1 year limited, lifetime theft protection. In the box. Video Doorbell 4. Rechargeable, quick-release battery pack. Satin nickel faceplate. Corner kit. Installation tools and screws. USB charging cable. Quick start guide. User manual. Security sticker.